Want to connect your AirPods Max to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max? Here's how you pair your AirPods Max and use its features. So normally, all you need to do is take out your AirPods Max from the smart case and it will instantly go into pairing mode and will pop up on your iPhone screen. From there, you just need to tap on Connect, then it will show you a short tutorial. But what if you're not seeing this pop-up? Then you'll simply need to put your AirPods Max into pairing mode manually. You'll just need to press and hold this noise cancelling button until the white LED at the bottom starts flashing. And there you go. Now you've got the pop-up. Additionally, you can also open the Bluetooth settings, scroll down on the list, and you should see your AirPods Max under other devices, and you'll need to tap on it to connect. And after you've connected your AirPods Max, you can further customize all its features right from the settings. That's all. Now you're ready to use your AirPods Max and enjoy music. Hope this helped. Happy listening.